Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so this is how you can hide or remove grid lines in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So first, to make sure we are on the same page, these are grid lines. So if you are in the cell, at the border of the cell you can see this gray border, and that is basically the grid line. It can be useful, but you might not need to see the grid lines in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. And it's really easy to remove grid lines. All you have to do is go to the menu bar in the top left corner, select View, then select Show from this drop down. And you're going to see that grid lines are currently turned on because we can see this check mark. And if you want to remove grid lines, just select grid lines here. And as you can see, just like that, grid lines have been hidden and removed from this Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this only applies to one sheet. So if you go to another sheet, you have to hide the grid lines there as well. So now this is how you can hide or remove grid lines in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.